Well, good morning everyone, and I am back at the creek again. And so today we're going to be catching some fish today. We're all going to be catching, hopefully white perches, because I think probably now until let's say about early April, their spawning season. So, welcome to the Kingdom Faith Adult channel. My name is Miguel Fuentes, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. You guys has been responding a lot, and you guys really enjoy my videos, which I really appreciate it. So I really appreciate it. Hopefully there's going to be some better times too. Hopefully there are some fish around during this time. It's about 45 degrees plus maybe 7-mile-per-hour winds. Hopefully there's some takers. Hopefully there's some white perch. Oh, I see something. Oh, we got something. Wait, we got something. We got something. We got something. There, we gotta go down. Well, not really. Let's see. let's take a look at the other side. See if there's anything going on. Ah, that's not good. Okay. Mud on the mud. Oh, that's a thick mud. Okay. Ah. Well, learned that not to do that. Shoot. Oh. Not to fall in the mud. In the water. Okay, well, that's not good. Well, I'm all muddy up. That's okay. Ah. Dumbass. So, let's go ahead and get cleaned up here for a sec. Oh, boy. That was a dumbass move. That's okay. I learned my lesson. The water's kind of frozen. Ah. Well, my jeans are ruined. Here's a code now. Now I learned my lesson not to get into the mud. So I think okay. See if there's any fish in this area. Oh, I got little small minnows underneath me. That means it must be. Yeah, I got some in the back too. The jeans are ruined. Guess not. Check on the other side. My rod all dirty. Hopefully there's something. continue this later, alright? Be right back. Alright guys, well, I'm gonna call it a day. Did not catch anything. I just saw maybe a small school of minnows right over here, but that's about it. If you can see, you got some small school of minnows. But yeah, you know, it's been a slow day. It's been windy. My hands are cold, so I'm gonna head back home, wash my jeans out. I wasn't hurt from falling from that muddy rocks there, but I'm okay. But so before I close this video, I just want to share with you a scripture or a devotional or whatnot. Hebrews chapter 6 verse 10 says, "For God is not unjust so as to overlook your work and the love that you have shown for His name in serving the saints, as you still do." I would like to say that this Bible verse really hits home. We know for a fact that works alone is not guaranteed for our salvation, but by faith through by work and faith, we can do the works of the ministry. We know for a fact that is scripture. I understand that there's going to be times where we're not going to get everything done. For me, like yesterday, it was kind of hard for me to get everything done because I was working by myself. I'm the only one in that department. And so, I tried everything that I can to get everything done. And today, I think some sort of market team will do like an inventory of our store. Hopefully I get that thing right and what I can do. And so by faith, I believe that my works is justified. And so, yeah, it is a very intense subject, but I understand. It's through Christ that we gain His trust. It's through Christ that we gain salvation. And so I would definitely leave you with this. We're always going to show love through serving unto saints. And I never knew it would be like this. And I am just a vessel. I'm just a messenger. It's how it is. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you are enjoying your week. I will be back on Sunday if it's not too wet. Looks like it's gonna be raining. Let me see the weather really quick. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna be raining. 70% chance on Sunday, which is gonna be in the morning, hopefully. Monday all day until Tuesday, and my another day off is gonna be on Wednesday. It's gonna be about 54 degrees. Thursday is gonna be 58. So temperature is slowly going up. This Saturday is gonna be about 70 degrees. Hopefully, I'm planning on going fishing in the morning, or because I gotta go work on this Saturday, which is gonna be tough. but we'll see what we can do. Friday's gonna be 59, so yeah, you know, it's gonna be a good day today. So enough rambling around. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. May God bless you. I'll see you guys again next time. Bye.